Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video I am going to show you how I use fresh aloe vera and coconut oil moisturizer on wash day. So I'm going to walk you through step by step on how I prepare my aloe vera. This method, guys, is very easy to do. It works with every hair type, so please keep watching. So right now I am cutting my aloe into medium-sized pieces. And guys, aloe vera is a super plant. It has many benefits, and some of the benefits for hair: it is rich in vitamin A, B, C and E, which helps keep hair hydrated and maintain moisture. It repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. It acts as a great conditioner and leaves hair smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth. It also promotes hair growth, prevents itching on scalp, reduces dandruff, and conditions your hair. Keratin, the primary protein of hair, consists of amino acids, oxygen, carbon, and small amounts of nitrogen, hydrogen, and sulfate or sulfur. It has a chemical makeup of similar to that of keratin, and it rejuvenates the hair with its own nutrients, giving it more bounce and preventing breakage. So guys, all ready to blend. I'm just putting my aloe gel in the blender, and I'm gonna add 2 cocks, which is equal to 2 tablespoons of oil, into the blender with my gel, and I'm gonna blend it. So yes, I'm going to use a sifter and I'm going to sift my mixture to make sure no large pieces of aloe wouldn't be in my mixture. So I'm just separating it. Yes guys, so this is the liquid after I sifted it, and I'm just gonna put it into this bottle. I'm gonna use a funnel. So this is my hair. I'm sectioning my hair and into 4 sections, and I'm just gonna apply my aloe to my hair using smaller sections. Guys, and this delicious hair mask, you can apply it once a week or every fortnight. You can leave it in as long as possible, but since this is my wash day, I'm gonna just leave it in for a couple hours and then rinse it with my shampoo. And the longer you leave it in, it's gonna make your hair stronger, smooth and bouncy. So guys, there are different ways you can apply your aloe to your hair. Make sure you can cut the piece of the chunk into half and then use it like what I'm doing here. You can do it this way. And if you don't, and of course, if you don't want to blend anything and do all the peeling and chopping, you can always if you don't want to blend it, you can always do it like what I'm doing, and then use your oil in your spray bottle and apply it to your hair with the aloe vera gel. So yes, this is my mixture that I blended with my homemade coconut oil, and I'm gonna apply it and saturate my entire head. Be sure to massage your mask throughout your entire head, from root to end. Be sure to massage your scalp, getting that blood flow to stimulate hair growth. Now guys, look at this. Look at the difference to this side. My hair is all moisturized, looking all quenched, soft and bouncy. And I'm just gonna continue doing this until my entire head is saturated with my hair mask. And guys, and it is so simple. You could plant your own aloe in your kitchen garden or even on your balcony. It takes very little to look after an aloe plant. The benefits you get in return are many. So go ahead. Go ahead, go and plant an aloe. It'll save you money as well. Make sure to get the edges. So guys, this is how it looks when my entire head is saturated with this delicious hair mask. Yes, my hair is so bouncy, soft. Yes guys, look at the coils. Yes, aloe vera. This my hair mask is gonna be my new best friend. And you can also make your hair mask and apply it daily to moisturize your hair. Yes, guys. Yes, guys, so I'm gonna leave this in for a couple hours and then shampoo my hair. And thank you for subscribing if you already subscribed, and if you haven't, please subscribe, like, share, comment. If you find this very useful, please leave a comment down below.